Hello everybody, this is Nora with Anarchy57, and today I feel like shrinking some butterflies. I have not pulled out the stamping plate since I swatched it, and yeah, well now that my nails can be more challenging in length for fitting these beautiful butterfly wings. This is the Beauty Big Band Plate 025. Beautiful stamping plate. So as you can see, my nails already started to have my base color, just a white, and I want to create a multicolor backdrop for the butterflies using Sharpies, just to make it easy and no having to mess around with cleanup around my skin. And then I'm going to stamp these in black, but yeah, the challenge is going to be I want to shrink them as much as possible and see if I, without losing the fact of that the wings, they're butterfly wings, because if you see, I mean, if you were to stamp this just a portion of the wing, like if you just did, you can tell it's a butterfly at all, maybe. Especially this one, I noticed, I mean, like you see that almost just looks like a mandala design. But yeah, let's see how it goes, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is what the backdrop is going to end up being. This is just something random that I did with the Sharpies. Now I'm going to go ahead and top coat it because I don't want any of this to even go to my stamper. And as far as my pinky, yeah, no telling. I'm really not sure if I'm even going to try to attempt to put one of those images in there, but we shall see. Now, for those of you that don't know, I do have a separate video on how I came about this nifty dandy tool here that allows me to easily shrink my images. So I will have that link down below if you guys have not seen it. Here's the final result, guys. What do you guys think? I will have to say the middle nail is my absolute favorite. I think it's the one that looked the most like a butterfly, and also the index turned out not too bad. Pretty nice. My least favorite, I have to say, is my ring nail, because I don't know, the lines turned out kind of squiggly there, and some of them folded over when I stamped it. My pinky, I didn't even attempt to shrink that one. I just used part of a wing there and left it, but it makes for a very cool pattern. Yeah, like I said, I finished them with a matte top coat. I really like how it turned out, and you would never guess that the backdrop was done with Sharpies, right? Just keep it easy and simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review and fun design. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.